Hey everybody, I want to talk about RUE21.com and RUE21 Credit Card on this video. Firstly, I want to talk about RUE21 and RUE21 focuses on providing trend apparel for young adults and teenagers, while Forever 21 offers more classic pieces that appeal to a broader range of ages, and it offers its own brands such as RUE21 Carbon Elements, RAE True by RUE21, and RUE Beauty, RUE Blue Swim, RUE Decor, in addition to other brands in its stores, to differentiation in its stores. And the website displays selected inventory that is available in their brick and mortar stores. Yes, okay, now let's talk about RUE21 credit card. If you want to apply for a RUE21 rewards credit card, you must be the age of majority in their state or territory residence, and you must have a valid government issued tax identification number. And for example, I mean SSN or SIN. And you must have a street ruler road or APO or FPO mailing address, but no PO box addresses. And you must have a valid government issued photo ID in order to apply for RUE21 rewards credit card. And the RUE21 rewards credit card is accepted at RUE21.com and all RUE21 store locations. And I mean, you can use your reward credit cards at all the RUE21 stores, I think. And also, in order to pay your RUE21 rewards credit card bill, firstly, you can visit community.net/RUE21, and then you log in into your account. It is just one of the many steps to pay the bill. And another one is you can use communities easy pay without having to log in at community.net/easypay. And also you can call, you can take the notes, the phone number now. You can call 855-564-9546 and 888-819 and 1918. And also you can mail your payment in the envelope provided in your paper statements. To avoid late fees, you need to ensure your scheduled delivery date is parallel to your billing to date. Yes, I think this information is enough about RUE21.com. And if you want to create an account on RUE21.com, you need to click the manage button here, and then you need to click my account here. After this, you can click this sign in button here. If you have already an account, you can type your information. You can type your email address and password. And if you don't have an account, and again click my account, and then you need to click create an account here. So you need to type your first name, last name, your email and password, and your password must be at least 8 characters long, and it must contain at least one uppercase letter and contain at least one number. After this, and you confirm your password, and then you need to click the accept notes here. Yes, I think this information is enough about RUE21.com and RUE21 Credit Card. Thank you for watching. Please share and like my videos.